Hello there, Chessie John Productions here. Today we're going to review the Bachmann HO narrow gauge Talyllyn Railway Talyllyn model. This is the red version. Let's review the box, shall we? This is the box it came in. It's HON 30 and 009. I have a couple 009 trains. We'll be doing more videos on them in the future. That model is really awesome. Let's get to unboxing it. Okay, we're going to take it out of the box, and I'm going to put it on the track. Unbox the new Bachmann locomotive in N scale. Sometimes it will come with a blueprint, like here, as you can see. Sorry, it's a little folded up. This is what the manual looks like. Here's this awesome model out of a box. It looks just like the real-life locomotive. Bachmann did a great job with this model. Let's take a look at the other side. Always be very careful when you work with these models. Really awesome model. Same as the other side. Highly detailed. This is what the underneath looks like. It's just the same as the Bachmann Talyllyn in case you ever need to service it. Really cool. There we go. It's an awesome model. Let's compare it to the Bachmann Talyllyn. Here is the Bachmann Talyllyn compared to its real-life counterpart. Same tooling, I believe. Exactly the same tooling, different colors. The Bachmann Talyllyn, it comes in 3 different colors: red, black, and green. I have the red one right now because I like the red one because I love the color red. It's really beautiful. It's the same as Talyllyn. Let's take a test run with the new Bachmann Talyllyn. Okay, moment of truth. We're gonna test the Talyllyn now. There it goes. Wow, it runs really smooth. It's a great runner, just like the Talyllyn. Okay, folks, here's the Bachmann Talyllyn Railway number 1, pulling some narrow gauge rolling stock. Right behind it is a Talyllyn coach. Let's see how it runs. It's a very smooth model, it's great. Future watermill scene, it's passing that now. Here it goes past Talyllyn. Hopefully Talyllyn's not jealous, LOL. Alright, that wraps it up for this review. Hope everyone has a great day and enjoyed the review of the Bachmann narrow gauge N scale Talyllyn model. Like, comment, subscribe for more videos. Chessie John Productions out. Have a great day.